Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel where all your maths questions get answered. If you're here, you probably want some quick and effective tips for tackling maths questions, whether it's for homework, exams, or just for fun. And let's face it, maths can be tricky, but it doesn't have to be. Let's dive straight into today's question. Today's question has been sent in by one of my students who I tutor every week, and I haven't seen this yet. I haven't really looked through it at all, but they have promised me that it is maths related, so I'll take their word for it, and hopefully there is some link between this riddle and some numbers somewhere. Let's see what we can actually do with this. So an apple is 40 cents, a banana is 60 cents, a grapefruit is 80 cents. How much is a pear? So immediately something that jumps out is multiples of 20 is the highest factor there between each of these, but they could also be multiples of 10 and even numbers. So might be keeping that in my mind somewhere. Now the second thing, so multiples of 20 will keep. The second thing is I've spotted we've got a few repeats here in apple and banana, but not really in grapefruit. So I'm a bit stumped with that, if there's anything else. So I'm just trying to think through a few different things that could lead to either working out what the sort of base denominator of something is, because a lot of riddles like this, they will sort of have some underlying factor that you can then scale depending on whatever is given. So I reckon there's a pattern that works for all three of them that's going to work for pear as well. Whether it's like the first letter of the alphabet, something like that, A, B, not really, it doesn't really go up in that way. 2 letters, we've got 3 A's, but yeah, there's not really anything with the grapefruit. There's no Roman numerals. Sometimes they do Roman numeral type things where you've got like X for 10 and things like that, but obviously there's no X here. What else could we try? Other things are like consonants and vowels. Is that going to be something? I think we're on something here actually. We've got 2 types of vowels, 2 types of consonants. No, 2 consonants. So I think apple has got 2 vowels. Banana has got 3 vowels. Let's see if it works for grapefruit. Yeah, 4 vowels there. Okay, so I think what we're doing here is, so the 20 really comes into play actually, because here we've got 40 for apple, which is 2 lots of 20. For banana, we've got 60, which is 3 lots of 20. Yeah, it's very mathematical this actually. And then 80, which is 4 lots of 20. Now, for each vowel that is within the word, so in apple we've got 2 vowels, the first 2, so A and E, and then banana we've got 3 A's, and then grapefruit we've got the A, E, U and I. However many vowels there are within that word is 20 times that number. So for this one, pear, we've got an E and an A, so that would be 2 times 20, so I reckon that is going to be 40 cents for this question. Yeah, I'm not sure if it's right, unfortunately, as my student hasn't given me the answer yet. He helpfully said you can wait until next week, as I normally say to him, so I think that's a bit of revenge on his behalf. But yeah, if you got anything different, or you got the same answer as me, if you got it twice as quick as me, well done. But yeah, hope you enjoyed that style of video with the maths question. Slightly different, obviously, today with a riddle. Comment down your answers, and yeah, any other questions you have got.